I chose Swansea because the area is similar to the seaside town where I grew up, and also because of the course and the social activities the city has to offer. It has all of this on offer and is in the top 3 ranking in the UK for medicine and is top in Wales for biological sciences. Genetics is revolutionising medicine. It's a fast-moving and exciting field, having a massive impact on the understanding, diagnosis and treatment of disease. A knowledge of genetics is to understand the fundamental building blocks of life. You will learn the techniques to analyse gene expression, protein interactions and DNA structure and damage. When I'm not studying, I enjoy spending time with my friends, going on nights out, going to the gym and also volunteering with elderly people in a respite day centre. Choosing to study genetics at Swansea, you will join a small and friendly community where world-leading researchers will teach you about the latest findings in the area of genetics, putting you at the forefront of the field. Our lecturers share with us the latest research which makes this course at Swansea the most exciting place to learn.